This is the 300 kilowatt BioMax installed up here in Red Lake Falls, Minnesota. Looking at the front of the boiler, this one was actually made in Italy, but you're looking at the soot blowing valves and tubes, small surge tank up there, solenoid and the valve set. They've got compressed air running in from another room here, and this front door accesses the tube sheet for cleaning, brushing. Might do that every couple months or so. Take it up, open that up and take a look inside. Down here you've got access to your firebox. Might need to rake that out every few days when you're burning really a lot of fuel. You can see just a little bit of fire in there now. Along the side here we've got the ash handling system just getting set up here. Right now they've got it going into this box here, and this is the business end, the burner end of the boiler. You got your fuel feed coming in here to a small surge hopper, fire suppression valve there on the back. That fuel drops down into a small bump auger through an airlock. You see the airlock there, prevents burn back, and then into your primary stoker auger going into the burner. Seen in the foreground here, the secondary air fan, that's for secondary air or overfire air. The other side, the big one here, is the primary air fan. That pressurizes and does the primary combustion. Small circulation pump there. Back here you can see the size of these motors and gear reduction sets. This boiler here, this is your smoke box. This is getting directly vented, but the ones we'll be doing will have a cyclone and induced draft fan on them. Over here we've got the ash extraction motors. Come around the front and show you how this opens up here. Just got two handles here. Those pop open, and then you got your door swings right open. So inside here you see a refractory panel. Burner primary air comes in down low around that burner, and then secondary air nozzles are these 6 cast iron nozzles on each side of the burner here. You'll see both in the front and out back of the burner is where those ash augers go. So cleaning is pretty simple in that you just pull all that ash in or back into those augers. Pretty simple machine. So. Over here we got the controls, all touchscreen and ready to go. Pretty simple control panel for operating this thing, and user interface for any changes, maintenance, that sort of thing. So that's the BioMax boiler.